Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by grounding yourself and positioning the case hinge toward you. This reduces strain on internal ribbon cables. Use a small suction cup on the lid to lift microscopically while inserting a plastic pick into the hinge seam. This separates the snap clips without scratching the shell. Keep steady pressure and work slowly along the back. Once a small gap appears, rotate the pick slightly to widen it. This creates room to slide additional picks and prevent sudden plastic breaks. Once the shell is open, the complex middle steps require methodical removal of fasteners and connectors. Unscrew the two tri-wing screws near the lightning port. This allows the lightning board to swing free. Use a plastic spudger to pry up the battery connector. Do not use metal, because you want to avoid shorting components. Then detach any visible flex cables by lifting their locking tabs. Make sure to note orientation. After that, lift the speaker and board assembly straight out to expose the hinge and pads. To finish, detach the hinge pins and peel away foam gaskets. This reveals the final ribbon connectors and the battery seating. Work slowly to avoid tearing the thin ribbon cables. Use tweezers to guide them free. Inspect each contact and the lightning board for corrosion or glue. Cleaning with isopropyl and a soft swab helps. If something fails after reassembly, check connector seating first. Poor contact is the most common issue, and reseat the flex.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.